Oh, hi, everybody. Guess what? It's time for another episode of Skewered by Celeste Barber. Ah. Hit it! Oh! Okay, yeah. All right, stop! Hey, stop! Stop! Hello, Mr. President. I am a sex symbol in a kitchen. Sorry.
Am I meant to come in now?
Hey, it's
Hi.
Sophie Monk.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to Skewered.
Oh, thank you for having me.
of
I love
course.
your outfit.
Thank you. It's for you because you
Aw.
started your career as a Marilyn impersonator at Movie World, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's right. It's very flattering.
Yeah.
I love being reminded of that.
Oh, it's fine. Yeah.
You really committed, like went full on, didn't you?
Yeah, I don't do anything in halves.
No, I can see you're right.
God, it's itchy.
Should you take that off?
No, it's fine. Do you want to cook?
Yes,
Let's cook.
please. I'd love to cook.
Oh, God.
All right.
Yeah, you just need to go through it.
Yeah.
Oh, and just pick one. Kind of like The Bachelorette.
Oh, no, these are heaps better choices, though.
Burn. What are we having?
It's a vegetarian recipe.
No, I don't do veggie. Are there any meato?
I mean, there is, but I'm not going to make 2 meals. Look, it's a customer favourite recipe. You're going to love it.
Fine. Well, what is it?
It is garlic and oregano halloumi taco.
Halloumi is like the steak of cheeses.
Is it?
All right, I'll get rid of these.
Yep. Okay.
These ones.
Cool bananas. Shall we do some chopping?
Yeah.
How about you do the onion and lettuce and I'll do the tomato and cucumber?
Okay, I'll do the lettuce, but
Okay.
I'm not doing onion. We have people for that. Thank you very much. What are you marinating the halloumi in?
Water. It takes out the saltiness.
Ah, a little less salty.
That's
hey?
right.
Okay. All right, I'm done.
Evacuation time?
Absolutely.
All right, cool.
Far out. Oh my God, that is so much better.
Maybe I'll just cut the lettuce while you do that.
Yeah, sure.
All right.
What size are those jeans?
These ones?
Yeah.
These like an 8. You can borrow them.
Yeah.
You want? Yeah.
Awesome. Because that's the same size as me.
All right.
8. What are you doing now?
I'm just caramelising the onions.
Uh-huh.
Because cooking it slowly helps bring out the sweetness.
No. Wait.
Sweet.
Okay, so in 2002,
Yep.
you brought out an album, right?
I did.
A Monthly Girl.
Calendar girl.
Yep. How did it go?
It didn't sell that well. My dad ended up buying like 5,000 copies because no one really wanted it. Did you like it, my album?
No.
Okay, so we're adding sugar now.
Yes, I was going to say that. Sugar. This is step 2. And then we put in the balsamic vinegar and the water. What are you doing?
I'm just trying to look hot.
Okay, I would totally buy whatever is you're selling.
Thank you so much.
They are caramelised. Far out, I'm caramelised after that. We're doing the halloumi now, yeah?
Yep.
So we've got oil,
Yep.
good.
And then I've just got my herbs and spices here.
your herbs and spices. Did
Well,
you
they're
bring
yours.
them?
I borrowed them.
Or the HelloFreshes.
And I'm just going to cover the halloumi like so.
Oh, God, you're good at this.
Aren't I?
I have to
Look at
say, much better than I thought you'd be.
Oh, this one?
No, we've done that joke.
Oh, damn it.
Did it with Alex Perry.
Okay, cool. And then I'm just going to fry these while you smash out the aioli.
Consider it smashed. Let's talk about The Bachelorette.
Yep.
What were you thinking?
I'm not quite sure.
Yeah, right. Okay, good.
Yeah.
There were, what, 16 guys in the house?
Yes.
Yeah, and how many of them did you make out with?
I'm not sure, actually. I think 16.
Hey, yes, good. And how many of them did you...
Oh, no, you can't do that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, not allowed.
Oh, but you would if you could?
Do you want to help me with the halloumi? It smells beautiful. Look at that. I feel like I'm doing this solo too.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I'm here for the looks.
Yep.
You're here for the goss,
And we're both nailing it.
aren't we?
Yep.
What happened then?
It's just the old flipso changeo.
Flipso McChanging
That's
style.
exactly what she's doing,
Absolutely.
and she's over again.
I am pretty ready to eat this.
I think we're ready. So I've been warming the tortillas, and we're ready to go.
Just so you know, it's actually tortilla.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look how easy this is.
It's so good. You know what? It's fun.
Halloumi, One each.
Probably 2 each. Breathe, it's okay. I'm not trying to make you nervous. You are taking a long time though. Dude, these look really good.
I know what I'm doing. Bit of drizzle.
Yeah, yum.
You really need this. Drizzle.
that is good.
A little bit of drizzle.
Yeah, you can
Oh,
put
look at that. I'm actually really proud of that.
You should be. It looks amazing.
I appreciate your help.
Yeah, of course. Now, can you
Yeah.
do that for my plate?
Yeah.
And I'll get the drinks.
Okie dokes.
You, mate.
Okay.
And I'm back.
Oh, halloumi tacos. How can you not like these?
Yeah, I know. I've got to say, I'm a meat enthusiast, but these smell pretty good.
Don't they?
Definite crowd pleaser, I reckon.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Winner, winner. Halloumi dinner. Hey, yeah. Hey, I have a surprise for you. Yeah, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ooh, happy birthday. That's fine. Thank you very much. See you next time on Skewered. Happy birthday to you. Oh, so good.